new weekly vlog. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our way to a secret date today. I didn't start that vlog very well, did I? If you guys haven't been following me since pre-COVID, then you wouldn't have known that she and I used to do something called secret dates, where we'd each book a secret date for each other and it'd be a secret, and then we find out what we're doing when we get there. And now that life is slowly, like things are slowly opening up, we've started secret dates again. And G booked this, but I worked it out because I'm a detective. So on Instagram he gave me a clue and I worked it out. But we're in Greenwich and we're going to the Old Navy Maritime College to see this installation, which I'll show you when we get there. Wow, look at this. I've never been here before. This is called the Painted Room, and this is the installation of the world. This is unreal. It's beautiful. There's a music lesson going on up there. So cool. We've just found the best homeware shop ever. It's called Taylor and Forge, and we literally want everything in there. Oh my god, it is amazing in there. If you're around Greenwich, highly recommend you go. But I've been eyeing up this garden furniture. That is so perfect for our garden. Love it. Found a little street food market. Oh, fried chicken. This is my lunch. I've got jerk chicken with rice and coleslaw, and G's got the most insane pasta gnocchi. Oh my god, so good. Guys, I am home. Oh, we had the loveliest morning, Saturday. Highly recommend that exhibition, painted hall thing. It was so cool. I can't believe I've been before. It was the Gaia exhibition at the painted hall at the Old Royal Maritime Navy Maritime College. I'm putting an oven pizza in the oven. Oh my god, why can't I talk?
Thanks for just chucking some salad in a bowl.
Thanks.
And cutting up the tomatoes.
Thanks. After that we came home. Oh, I've got a really bad neck. That's not good for my neck. We played a bit of Mario Kart. What else did we do? We sat in the garden. You are proper pestering me right now. Leave me alone. Oh, I need you to put time on for 11 minutes. We sat in the garden for a bit. I got changed. Oh, we tidied the house, because that's our Saturday morning ritual. We sat in the garden and a honeybee flew in and Maurice was trying to catch it. And I had to carry it to safety in a cup. Hope he survives, because it looked like he was trying to sting the cup, but I put him on a flower outside. What else? Oh, and then we need to talk about Burnham's new film on Netflix called Inside. If you guys haven't watched it, stop what you're doing, go watch it now. It was amazing, but it's made me a little bit depressed as well. But I actually do think everyone should watch it. Burnham is a comedian. He also wrote and directed a film that we loved called 8th Grade. If you guys haven't watched that, go watch that. He acts, and yeah, throughout lockdown he wrote and kind of filmed and edited this film called Inside. It's on Netflix and it's just incredible, and yeah, I think everyone can kind of relate to it. So yeah, go watch that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this oven pizza. It's actually, oh no, I recycled the box already. Wait, I'll show you. Welcome to our recycling bin. It's this one, the Ristorante Pizza Fungi. Oh my god, it is so good. I love this pizza so much. So we're gonna share that with some salad. And we are currently very much into Mayor of Easttown and Mad Men. We're about to finish season 5, so we're just gonna have a bit of a film tonight. It is Monday lunchtime and I am on my way to get my first vaccine. I thought I'd film it, not the actual getting of the vaccine, but straight after and how I feel later. All I can say is I've been waiting for this for so long, and I'm so happy the day is finally here. And to make it even more exciting, I'm getting my vaccine at Leyton Orient Football Stadium, which is my family's like football team. So I booked it in here even though it was a bit far from home, because I thought my granddad and my dad would think it was kind of cool. I'm so excited. Here we are, here's the football stadium, and I think the chemist, oh, I don't know where it is, further down. I haven't updated in ages. It is 10:20, so I had my vaccine like 10 hours ago, 9 hours ago. And I feel fine. My arm is pretty sore, but apart from that, I feel pretty good. Just been working when I got home. Oh. You can see some paint samples in the background of what we're gonna paint. No. I feel a little bit doolally. We were watching a TV programme, we were halfway through it, and I just got really restless, like my whole body felt really restless. So I was like, I gotta get up. So I think we're gonna go to bed. I wouldn't mind a shower actually. Something that's so nice about an evening shower and then getting into bed with nice clean feet. Oh my god, it's the best feeling. But yeah, I'm so happy that I at the moment feel fine. G had the AstraZeneca vaccine and he was fine until like 10 o'clock, and then he was super shivery, like proper flu-y, just for an evening, like physically like whole body shaking, and he felt freezing even though it was quite warm. So yeah, I think they have different side effects maybe. Oh my god, I'm really tired though, so maybe that is the side effect. Yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off and get into bed. Hey guys, today I am so excited because I am going to try on some wedding dresses. I've booked a day out with my mum. We're gonna have a super girly day. I've like got proper schedule and everything because I wanted to do quite a few wedding dress shops in a day just to get a real feel for what I want and try loads of different brands. So we are meeting in Shoreditch. We've got 2 in Shoreditch, 1 in Stratford, and then 1 in Wapping where I used to live. So yeah, it's gonna be a really nice day. I've kind of spaced everything out so we can have like tea and lunch in between some of the appointments and maybe even dinner afterwards. I've tried to do like a very natural but polished makeup, and I've also curled my hair and tried to, oh my god, see my hair's not playing ball today. I've tried to like keep it in a nice kind of centre parting style so I can kind of imagine what I will look like on the day, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to wear a face mask in the actual like dress trying on sections. I'm not sure if I'm going to be allowed to film or take pictures or anything in these shops. I remember the last time I did this like 5-6 years ago, I couldn't take pictures of any dresses until I'd actually bought one, which is a bit of a shame because I like to remember what they look like on me before I like and think about it before I like say yes to something. But yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, you're not really going to be able to see what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing an Abercrombie & Fitch dress from last year. I absolutely love it. It's got pockets and it's kind of long with a bit of a slit. It's going to be like 26 degrees today, so I just thought I'd wear this. Oh, I've also got a pair of Spanx, nude Spanx, in my handbag. So here's my first appointment. It's called Grace Loves Lace. It's just off, yeah, Shoreditch, Hoxton Square's down that way, and Great Eastern Street is there, and it's gated, so I'm gonna go in now.
You've got lots of bunching up.
Yeah, because of my
It could be chilly if in the other one.
yeah,
I don't know which one I prefer.
me neither.
On the other hand, I just think it's very
But I think this is so flattering. Oh, that was nice. We are having a cup of tea outside a cafe. That was so much fun, wasn't it?
Wasn't it? Loved it.
Hopefully I'm going to be able to show you guys some sneak peeks. We just went to Grace Loves Lace, and it was such a lovely experience. Bearing in mind, I've done this a couple of times before, although it was a few years ago, but that would just already beat all the other experiences I've had. So yeah, I might either do a whole video about the dresses I don't choose, perhaps, because I think that would be really good content. But yeah, we're just finishing up our tea and then we're going to go on to the next one, which is called Heart Aflutter in Hoxton. Did you enjoy that, Mother?
Okay, so
What?
I wasn't ready for it.
Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that, Mother?
Yes, I did, especially the rose tea. It was amazing.
They offered us rose tea or sparkling wine, and we said rose tea, and it was not a disappointment. But I am hoping we can get started on the wine at the next place. The next shop is called Heart Aflutter, and I think we're here.
Which one do you like best so far?
Oh, probably. Do you think this one looks more flattering on my body?
I think the last one was really flattering. I think they both are, but
They are the same silhouette, to be honest. It's the only thing is fabric.
Really sophisticated.
Is the
It is gorgeous. I do love this detail here.
yeah, I can see it as the evening dress to leave with, maybe. It's in the back.
the back is a little bit more close, to be honest.
Yeah. Okay, the second shop I'll update you about in a minute, but first we just got a taxi to Stratfield. What is wrong with
Westfield Stratford.
Westfield Stratford, and we've got a Oaxaca, which is my first Oaxaca in about 3 years, and so I'm really excited. Oh my god, yes, I've missed these guys. Oh, good, thank you. Got some buttermilk tacos. My mum's got some cauliflower. I've got sweet potato and feta taquito. This is our third stop of the day, David's Bridal in Westfield Stratford. My friend got her dress from here, and we got our bridesmaid dresses for her wedding here as well. So yeah, and they've got a lot of different styles, which I think will be interesting to try on. I still haven't spoken about the second one. What did you think about the second one, Heart Aflutter? I had to pay £15 to try the dresses on, and they didn't offer us a drink, which isn't the end of the world, but it's a nice touch, isn't it?
Yeah, it helps. We were there a while and it's very hot, so
yeah,
that would have been nice.
We found one dress which I think we both really liked, but then on the reflection I still really like the first shop we went into. Well, we'll see. We're getting there, yeah. There are so many dresses here to try. It's so hard to tell what's what. Yeah.
But you can actually get the daytime evening dress.
Yeah, I think the other one. I wish I was a little bit taller so I could get away with. I still prefer that second one though. Is this A-line as well? Yeah. But the back isn't my fave either. What does Becky think?
And the monkey ones, the design
Whoa.
you get this fabric out. Then you have the beautiful lace overlays. You've got the most.
Oh my god, I'm knackered. I don't know how much I recorded at that last place, but I found 2 dresses that I absolutely love, and I think one of them could be the one. We came here, and yeah, so we're at Metropolitan Wharf in Wapping to go to Catherine Dean, which I'm really excited about. Oh. Yeah, that's really nice. I like them all.
I mean, it is really pretty. I like the fact that the back is all see-through. And it does fit.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Friday morning. Don't mind me just putting some socks on. I'm about to go to Sainsbury's because my grandparents are coming around to our house on Sunday, and I haven't seen them in so long because of COVID, and they also haven't seen our new house, obviously, so I've invited them round with my parents, and I'm just so looking forward to it. Like a really nice family day. I really miss my nan and granddad, so yeah, can't wait. But oh god, what's that? But I thought I would cook for everyone, so I'm going to cook my Bangladeshi curry that our friend Mo taught me how to cook. I've chosen like the most complicated thing to cook because it takes so long to make. I think we'll probably be in the garden, but I was thinking I could put it all out here and people could help themselves. So I'm going to go and get the ingredients for it now, because I'm going to be spending all day tomorrow cooking, and then I'll just reheat it all on Sunday when they come round, because I won't have enough time on Sunday morning to get it all done. It's super time consuming, but it'll be so worth it because it's so delicious. So I'm going to be doing a chicken and potato curry, a chili paneer curry, I'm going to do taka dal, and I might also make some little lamb kebabby things just as a starter, alongside some poppadoms, naan bread and mango chutney. So yeah, I don't think it's like that many ingredients. I've just got to check all my curry spices here. Ooh, what's this? We're a bit low on that. We're low on paprika, so I need to get some paprika. I think I have enough of everything else for all the meals. Also, today is a super exciting day. This is like such a wedding heavy vlog, but today we've got our wedding tasting. We have some chefs coming here to our house at 2:30 to start prepping all of the food that we've chosen for our wedding, and then our wedding caterers come around at 5:30 whilst we try everything, and so we can feed back to her and basically have like a little wedding planning session with her. The caterer we've chosen is amazing, and she knows the venue like the back of her hand, and we just feel like she's also kind of a bit of a wedding planner, like the stuff she's helping us with. So like heavy wedding vlog content. Normally they do this in their office, but I think the studio space they hire with the kitchen for their tastings has gone under since COVID, so we decided to have it here instead of having to rent somewhere. What are you doing? Making a cup of tea?
Making a brew.
I want a cup of tea.
Making a brew.
I need some snacks before I go, because otherwise I'll get well hungry.
Have you had breakfast?
No, I might have.
Taking your pills?
No, I might see if there's any sesame snaps. We're having HelloFresh for lunch. We're having chicken and mushroom crumble. That looks so interesting. I'm sure it'll be nice. This is the biggest lunch. I'm never going to eat all this. Chicken, leek and mushroom and rice. I haven't vlogged much for the rest of the day because I've just been getting on with stuff, but yeah, we're about to have a wedding tasting, which I'm vlogging for the wedding planning video, which will be going up after our wedding day on this channel. So you've got a while to wait for it, because we're not getting married until next year. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. So, subscribe if you want to see that, and have a great rest of your week.